Hello guys, welcome to Check. Today we are going to see how to fix or how to solve a call ended problem in your mobile. Yes. Now get into video. I'm showing right now. I'm calling for one person right now. The call is not connected. It still remains same. Yes, you can see now it's automatically ended right now. So how can we fix this? Yes, it was an easy step to fix this problem. Now go to click this contact, and here you can see in the bottom left corner you can see the three horizontal line icon is there. Click it, and once you click this pop-up menu will be appear like this. Here you want to click the setting option and slightly scroll down. You can see advanced setting is there. Click the advanced settings, this one, click it, and once you click this, here you can see call bearing is there. Click the call bearing option, this one, click it, and once you click these, the sim options are available. I am having two sims. You want to click a Vodafone in, yes, and you can see now it's automatically reading settings, and one by one the options are enabling right now. You can see now, wait for a couple of seconds. You can see now one by one options are enabling right now, and it automatically come outside. Yes, this is a problem. And for call ended problem, once again you want to click this once, two times or three times you want to click like this. Wait for a couple of seconds. Once the reading setting is completed, yes, it's completed right now. So it's completed. It's the problem is 100% is solving right now. This is the one step to clear a call ended problem, and